Hi and welcome back to our Flowzone tutorials. In this video we are going to be looking at sub-projects. In Flowzone, if you have a project and you want to break that down into smaller elements, then you can create sub-projects. You can then track those smaller elements in different ways, and those sub-projects are grouped together under the parent project. Okay, so let's have a look at this by diving into a test system. Here you can see I'm in the projects area and I've got 8 projects in this list view here. Let's imagine I've got a project here, 10,003, that I want to split out into some smaller elements. So if I click on that, here you can see I've got a couple of things which are going to be useful for me in this context. I've got a small panel here of sub-projects. This is empty at the moment. And I've also got a list here of sub-projects. Again, this is empty. Now from here, I can create a new sub-project. So I'm going to click on that. Now I'm just going to use the next number in the sequence, so it's going to be 10,009. And in this case, I'm going to go with web. There's my parent project, so I'm already identifying that 10,003 is the parent project. So let me create that. And what I'm going to do straight away, I'm going to go back into the main project list. So here you can see I've got my new project 10,009 and it's a web type. Now there are a couple of columns which are really useful when you're looking at sub-projects and parent projects. And that's these two here. So the parent project name column and the sub-projects count column. If you don't have those in your list view, then go across to the spanner icon and you can add them in. And you can see that the project 10,009, the parent project here is identified as being 10,003. And also, if I look at 10,003, you can see that I've got one sub-project. So that's what we were expecting. Let's create another sub-project for 10,003, but now I'm going to use the row action here to create a new sub-project. So this is going to be 10,010, just following on from my sequence. In this case, I'm going to use social media, and there we go. Again, I'm going to go straight back to my list view. And here we can see I've got now 10,010 is my next project. It's a social media type. And again, I've got the parent project name of 10,003. And I've got now 2 sub-projects for 10,003. I'm just going to do that one more time. So new sub-project. So this is going to be 10,011, just following on from my sequence. And project type in this case, I'll go with concept. Again, I'm going straight back to my list view. And now I've got a third project, which is a sub-project of 10,003. So 10,003 has got 3 sub-projects, and here they all are. 10,009, 10,010, and 10,011 all have a parent project of 10,003. So let's have a look at 10,003. So you can see now in the sub-projects panel over here, there are my 3 sub-projects, and I can link to any of those. And also my main sub-projects list view, I've also got those 3 sub-projects as you would expect. Now, if I were to link to one of these sub-projects, if I go into, say, 10,011 here, the concept type, you can see down here, I've got a link to a parent project, 10,003, and I've also got the link to the parent project up here. So I can go back up to the parent project by using that link there. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please check out our other videos, and we will catch you in the next one.